The rear SAM, or Signal Acquisition Module, controls multiple components and functions in the rear of the vehicle. Malfunctioning components like rear lighting, trunk, and fuel level could be due to a faulty rear SAM. When replacing the rear SAM, it will need to be properly commissioned, which includes SCN coding and adaptations. In this video, I'll show you how to do this on a 2017 W205 C-Class Mercedes-Benz. Before beginning, be sure you have a stable internet connection. Connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Mercedes-Benz. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Body System. Tap Signal Acquisition Module Rear SAM R. On the next screen, you'll have the option to read and clear fault codes, program and SCN code a replacement ECU, SCN coding, and manual coding. In this example, we installed a replacement ECU. Tap ECU Replacement, Programming, SCN Coding. You will be guided through ECU programming and SCN coding, as well as any necessary adaptations. Tap Enter to continue. In this example, we installed a new ECU. Tap Yes, a new ECU was purchased. On the next screen, you will have multiple options. Select the option that fits your situation. In our example, the old ECU does exist, so we will select Yes, the original ECU exists. Whenever the original ECU is available and communicates properly, it is recommended to read and transfer data from the old to new ECU. Connect original ECU for data transfer. Press Enter to continue. Connect new ECU. Tap Enter to continue. Skipping programming can save time. If the module is a new OE replacement, programming software comes preloaded. It is recommended to skip programming and do coding directly. If the ECU doesn't function normally after coding, then perform programming. Tap Do Coding Directly. Results will be displayed. Tap Exit to end. It's always a good idea to check and clear fault codes that may have been set during your repair procedure. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for procedures with Mercedes-Benz vehicles.